Okay, I made a video a couple of days ago about using Cash App to make investments. And I'm going to show you what happened a couple of days ago. I made a couple of investments. And you see right here is $2,623.64. If you see right under there, I made $25.08. So I made that in a couple of days. So just imagine, I'm going to just show you here. It's common sense. I invested a total of $2,600 and I had a gain of $23. Just imagine if you make an investment of $2,600 in a bank account, savings account, and they pay you 0.02%. If you leave that $2,600 in there for a whole year, don't touch it, you would make maybe 51 cents. 51 cents. That's crazy. And I made $23 in less than 2 days. And if I put the same amount in a savings account, I make 50 cents in a whole year. That's stealing your money. They're taking your money and loaning it out to someone else. So just take a chance. You see, I got these couple of stocks. I bought $2,000 worth of stocks in Stanley, $500 in Uber, and Overstock I bought 100. You can see my 2,000 is $2,004 now, and my 500 is $508, and my 100 is $110. So I can cash it out if I want to, but I'm gonna just leave it in there. I know your kids, if you get starting, use that Acorn app. And my daughter is doing it, and every time she buys something, if it costs 75 cents, they round it up to $1 and they put 25 cents in investment. So over 4 or 5 years, you may end up with $10,000, $15,000, and that can be used to get you started or make other investments. So putting your money in the savings account if you want to do that, this is the way to do it. The Cash App, everybody is using Cash App. So put $10 a day. You can make investments of $1. You don't have to make $1,000 investment. You can do $1, $2, $3. Even if the stock costs $100 each, you don't have to buy $100 to buy one stock. You can buy $1 worth. So you get 1/100th of a stock, and you still own a part of it. So a lot of people don't buy stocks because they look at stuff like Google. Let me see if we got Google here somewhere. I'm gonna go to the search and hit Google. They may call it Alphabet now. Let's see what it is. As you can see right here, this Google. The share is $1,327. You don't have to buy $1,327. If you buy one stock, you have to pay $1,327 for it. You can buy $1 worth. So it ain't gonna be worth hardly anything, but you don't have to buy you don't have to spend $1,300. You can spend $100 on this stock. You don't have to buy a complete stock. It was people get confused about. They say, oh, this stock costs $1,300. I can't buy that. Yeah, you can buy $100 worth of Google. So make investments, use this Cash App or Fidelity. They don't charge any fees. So take advantage of the opportunities. And back in the days, they used to charge fees. They're not charging fees anymore. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.